Hey guys, I'm Fennig with Fennig Equipment. You're tuned into the Talking Shed. Today it's February 5th. We had that really cold snap across the Midwest last week. Higher temperatures now. The reason I'm talking about the weather is because we're talking about residue breakdown, and I just want to discuss what these two different stalks have been through. So freezing, thawing, extreme cold, several inches of snow. So this stalk right here, as many of you can guess, is one that has not been devastated. Came from that field right over there. It has never been touched. It was completely enclosed, and I opened it up and it's clean. Hardly any residue breakdown whatsoever. It was standing straight up, obviously, and pretty clean. This thing's going to take quite a while to break down. I mean, it's pretty strong, and I don't really have to describe to you guys how strong they are because you've experienced this. What I've got right here is a row of devastated stalks. I'm standing right on top of a row. In fact, this one is still connected to the root, to the ground. So I pull that thing apart, and this thing is just like as brittle as wet paper. I mean, I can just basically crumble this stuff apart with my hands. Grab another one. So it's like chips. So you can imagine what this stuff is going to be like come spring. There's so much moisture inside of this, whereas this one, yeah, it's wet to the touch, but it's not soaked and in contact with the ground. This is where you really get this breakdown, is when this stuff is all laying on the ground. And we have a lot of people that say, well, I don't want that mat. It really won't become a mat, because this stuff come spring is going to basically be non-existent. It breaks down to basically wet paper. And yeah, it's a really extreme difference here. We did run, there was a tillage tool ran over here on this side of the field, but right here nothing has been touched. So big difference here. This is probably the 4th or 5th update we've done here this winter, and we'll continue to update you on this residue breakdown with the Devastator to show you the residue management benefits you can have. So you can imagine how nice and easy it's going to be planning into this or doing a tillage pass this spring. So more advantages of the Devastator. I appreciate you tuning in, and we'll do another update probably in March.